Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. This is my second video in our cosmetic packaging series. In this video I'm going to show you how to clean your lotion pump and how to cut it to the size of your bottle. I know you have your lotion pump. Most lotion pumps right now are cut irregularly and it can affect the way your skincare product comes out, especially if it's lotion. So the first thing you want to do is to sanitize your lotion bottle, your lotion pump. I know by now you must have watched my video on how to sanitize your bottle, so watch that video to have an idea on how to sanitize your bottle. So to sanitize your lotion pump, you really cannot do much. My first most preferred option is to spray it with isopropyl alcohol. Make sure you remove any labels on top of it. Okay, scratch up any label, make sure you wash it. Don't really bother too much about what, just make sure you scratch up any label and try and clean it as much as possible. Anything in front of it, you really don't want to wash this too much, okay? But what you have to do is to get rid of dirt, any dirt that's set by using rubbing alcohol, okay? So take a bit of rubbing alcohol. We're doing preventative thing here. Rub the front, okay, rub it very well. I'm using 90% isopropyl alcohol, that is called rubbing alcohol. Then for this here, you can wash the front here, wash it with little Castile soap, water, wash it, okay, which I'm going to demonstrate to you here. I want you to follow everything. As you all know me on this channel, I take my time to explain this to you, which is very important. So a little bit of liquid Castile soap. So take a little bit of liquid Castile soap or any gentle soap, okay. Then don't allow soap to go in here. Wash it in batches and rinse it. Don't overwash it. Remember, we're still going to use isopropyl alcohol, okay. Don't allow soap to go in there. You don't want soap to go in there. So when you are done, don't try to dry it, just shake it to dry, okay. Then put it in a clean bowl. Then we're going to move on to the next step. The next step is to spray the lotion pump with isopropyl alcohol. Make sure you spray it until it's dripping wet. So you might want to do this in batch, okay. Make sure you take all your spray it until it's dripping wet. And this also, spray the inside isopropyl alcohol until it's dripping wet also. Right, then you have two options. You can allow it to dry by itself, which will take some time, or you just take a clean paper towel to just pat it dry. Or you can allow it to dry by itself. How do you allow it? Alcohol can dry very fast, so just take it out, right? And place it on the surface. Take all of them out and place them on the surface, okay. Allow them to air dry by themselves, okay. So we're going to allow that to air dry. The next step now is to cut your lotion pump to the size of your bottle. How do you do this? Well, before I go further, if you want to buy your lotion pump at very good wholesale price, visit pureblendnatural.com. They have fantastic different type of lotion pump you can talk of. I think I showed that to you in another video. Different type of lotion pumps you can talk of are available at pureblendnatural.com. Now, alcohol can dry very fast. So this is the bottle, the type of bottle I want to use, okay. So how do you know the size to cut it to? The first thing you want to do is to put this inside your bottle. Put it inside the bottle. If you can have an idea of where it stops, I can see mine now because this bottle is a bit transparent. I can see that it stops here. So I'm going to make a mark here. It stops here. Okay, so I make a mark over there so I know where it stops. That should be the length, okay, of the stem. So all this here, you have to cut them off. So from where the lotion pump opening stops inside here to here is where you have so you have to cut off this. That's what you need. So we're going to cut that off now. Make sure you are using a sterilized scissors. Okay, make sure your scissors is sharp and sterilized. So I'm using isopropyl alcohol. As a cosmetic formulator, make sure you have enough isopropyl alcohol at home to be able to do a lot of sterilization. Is very important. You don't want to contaminate your product. So again, remember I did the mark here, so I'm going to place it here, then I'm going to cut this part off. So from where it stops here, I hope you can see it. Another thing you can do very well, sorry about that when you're hearing kids underneath, my kids are here, they will. Another thing you can do is you can measure it. So from where you measure from there, I have a tape here. Look in the description box below to from where to get this tape. I bought this I think on Amazon, so I have a direct link for you to be able to buy. Very good for me, especially when I'm measuring and I'm shipping out my skincare product. I use this a lot to measure my box, okay, and the size of my box. So we're going to measure it from here to the bottom is 9. Perfect. So we have to come here to here is 9. So we're going to cut it from that 9. You see here. So at this stage you will need something like a knife or something to make a mark. Make sure you use a sterilized knife if that's the best. So I'm going to, just for the purpose of this video, I'm going to mark the 9. So here, as you can see here, I'm marking that 9. That's where I'm going to trim it. Oh, perfect. So now that I see where to trim it, that's what I'm going to go ahead and cut it with a sharp. Perfect. And that's it. Now, how do you put it in? Now that I have already trimmed it, how do I put it in? Before you put it in again, you have to spray it a little bit with isopropyl alcohol and just allow it to air dry. Okay, then open your lotion bottle. Now the part that you cut have to go up. This part have to go down. This is the best way. This, see the way it was done? The design was done in a way to be able to pick your lotion properly. Okay, so we're going to make sure this goes down. Do not let this go down. It will not be able to pick your lotion properly. So this part that we cut is going to be the one to go up. So you're going to dip that in, okay, in your lotion bottle. Then we're going to put it in, and perfect. We have it, and that's about it. See, it's perfect. The stage where it is now is the perfect stage you want to have your. And if you want to buy this kind of very stylish 150 ml bottle, is available at Pure Blend Natural, and this also is available at Pure Blend Natural. Now I'm going to demonstrate this to you for one of my skincare products. That's Evening Primrose and Licorice Root Cream. I've done that on this channel before. I demonstrated to you. Remember, I do not share my formula. Be wise. Every skincare brand you have your own brand, your formula. Do not share with anyone. But I share my process with you, so you have an idea of how to what I. So this about it. You just put it in. Okay. Remember, do not overfill your lotion bottle. Okay, it's going to be a lot of mess if you overfill your lotion bottle. So as you can see, it's so beautiful, very, very beautiful. So I hope you have learned a lot from the video I showed you now. So you can easily dispense your lotion, you know, here. For the fertile, of course, you all know this is a very good lotion bottle in that lotion pump, in that it has instruction on how to open it. So you can just twist it here to open. Right. So this is a very good lotion pump, like I was saying. So when you twist it, the instruction is here. When you twist it all the way and this comes up, that's about it. It's a very stylish and upgraded lotion pump. So, and you can, you know, your customer can have fun pressing. Remember, for the first time you have to do a lot of pressing until you know it comes up, and it's going to come out beautifully. Just watch out and see how beautiful this lotion comes out. It's more like a treatment pump, right? So you can find it at pureblendnatural.com. This is amazing. It's going to bring your lotion out perfectly, just like a treatment pump. See how beautiful. And it actually, the good thing about lotion pump is that it beautifies your emotion. It makes it come out. Not only does it beautify your emotion, it protects your skincare product from contamination, right? So this is one of my cream. It comes out beautifully, right? So just press and enjoy the goodness. That's about it for this video. I hope you have learned one thing or the other on how to set up your lotion, you know, pump, how to clean it, how to cut it to size, and how to put it in your bottle. I hope this video has been of help. This is one of my latest cream. The ingredients are very expensive though, a lot of squalene. As you can see, this lotion is right now is sold out. That's the interesting part about this cream, is sold out. But when I have it available for people that have dry skin, I'm going to announce it on this channel. On this channel, remember, I teach you, I give you formulation tip. I do not share my formula with you, but the ideas that I share with you is more than $1 million. Trust me. So I hope this video has been of help to you. So click that subscribe button. If you're a skincare brand owner, you're welcome to my channel. I am a skincare brand owner myself, but I like to give a lot, so I share my ideas and tips with fellow formulator, and by that we grow together. I do not share my formula, no, I do not. But I do provide formulation services and formulation training for beginners at stablecosmeticformulas.com. so look in the description box below if you don't know how to make formulation. You can also learn also. But this video I know must have been of help to you, so click that subscribe button and the notification icon to be notified when I upload new video. Thanks for watching, everyone.